Hello everyone, I'm here at Affordable Motors and I am telling you, I'm having a phenomenal time testing out all these nice cars so I can tell you all about it. Well, I'm sitting right here in the Honda Civic and I'm telling you, it's very comfortable. The seating is nice, it's very clean. You know, most used cars are not looking so clean and looking so nice. Telling you, come down to Affordable Motors here in Connecticut and I am telling you, you will get your money's worth. And you just have to make a small down payment of whatever car you choose to buy. And also, don't worry too much about your credit. They can assist you comfortably. They can assist you. Wow, as you see, this is a Honda Civic. It's very nice. I love it. You know, it's easily can be parked anywhere. Where some of your tax return can be used to buy you a new ride. So you and your family will be shining throughout the rest of the year. So thanks for watching. This is the Duchess of Concrete Media, taking you live from Affordable Motors in Connecticut. And it is affordable.